Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are testing another useful device, another diagnostic tool. This time is the ArtiDiag 600 Pro from TOPDON, and you have a link in the video description if you want to buy this product. Before jumping in to test it out on my 2024 Duster, I want to tell you a few things about this scanner. So it's an OBD2 scanner. It offers diagnostic covering engine transmission, SRS and ABS, along with 8 reset functions, and it's supporting over 70 vehicle brands with full OBD2 functionality, and it comes with free lifetime updates via the Wi-Fi. So yeah, overall it's a nice device, small, compact. And if you are going to order it, this is the box. This will be the box, and you will get this very nice pouch, which I really love. Very handy for the storage. You won't have to carry the box with you anymore. And in the pouch you get 2 cables, one for charging, one for the OBD, and of course the diagnostic itself, the OBD scanner itself, which looks like this. Very nice build quality. Plastic over here, plastic over here. On top we have the power button and the connection cable, and on the side we get an USB Type-C port, which is for charging. And also over here we have the quick user guide. All the information we need is there, multiple languages. Very nice. And the first thing we are going to do is open or start this diagnostic tool and see if we have to do some updates, some upgrades. Hopefully my internet connection from my smartphone will be enough, because I'm not in the vicinity, I'm not near my Wi-Fi connection at home. Let's choose English, or yeah, we will choose English. Next. Okay, we have 80% battery life, so it's Wi-Fi scanning. Let me just activate the hotspot. Upon the first usage or after switching languages, tap update. Yeah, so we have a new version. Let's update it. It will improve some performance, and it will have some bug fixes. It seems to download very fast. Yeah, so the update is installing. The cable will be enough. My advice is not to connect the cable while you are updating the device. Let's see if we need some updates. Yeah, I have to create an account. We only need an email address. We got a code, 4-digit code, and once we agree the terms of policy, the account is created and we can log in. Voila, we have successfully logged in. Let's see some updates. Now we should have all the vehicles from the database. Yeah, BMW, Fiat. Let's see if we have some Dacia. Yeah, we have some updates for Dacia. Improve software architecture, vehicle model. Okay, so we have to update the common library, and then we have to update this, the AutoVIN. And after we have done that, we can update all the vehicles, but I'm just going to do it for Dacia and Renault. Download and download. So the Renault has 867 megabytes, which is very big, and I'm just going to wait until everything downloads. And after this update is installed, we will try this diagnostic tool on the Duster. One interesting feature, so we have the expiration date of this update, of this upgrade, so to speak, and it's all the way up to 2125, so 100 years of warranty, so to speak. One thing I like is that we have these buttons over here, OK, back, up, down, left and right. And using these buttons, it will be easier to navigate when you are using this diagnostic system. So the Renault is installed. I am also installing this Renault Samsung just to check one more time for the Dacia. So no diagnostic software updates available. We have updated the Renault, the Dacia, and right now I'm just going to connect the cable. And we have the sound, and the VCI has turned from red to green. And also it seems that the tablet is charging. Also, you can favorite frequently used models if you have a garage or something. And let's use the VIN, the auto VIN mode, and see if it will read the auto VIN mode of my car. Yeah, so it would seem that it has detected that is Dacia or Renault. Yeah, so we have the VIN number, and that is, it is a Duster 3. Okay, Dacia Duster. And let's auto scan everything and see if we have some errors. So we have the blind spot detection, power assisting steering, 4-wheel drive, radio, unit. Yeah, everything will be displayed here. Every errors, every message codes will be displayed here. And it's very interesting and it's very useful because now we know that if we have a newer car, it will work with the diagnostic tool, will work with this model. So we already have five faults with the telematic control unit. Let's see what does that mean. Read DCT. Yeah, so 1232 EPS not detected, and we have a current auxiliary input, open circuit or short circuit to earth. And also we have auto LED, general electrical failure. Interesting. These two are current, or seems to be current. Yeah. And history, we also had a CAN V fault and a VDC not detected with some error codes. We have the report. We can save this report over here. And also the diagnostic tool will make an automatic QR code, and it will be saved on the device. Let's just save this. And now that I know that the car has these errors, these faults, these reports, I will go to the dealership service and see what they are about. Okay, so besides the telematic control unit, we don't have another problem. And let's see what other hot functions we have. Yeah, we can do an oil reset, an SAS reset, DPF regeneration, TPMS reset, injector coding, and so on. Okay, so we have the maintenance, oil, throttle, EPB, ABS, DPF, injector, TPMS, OBD2. Let's see what we have over here. We have some protocols. Let's do an auto scan. Okay, and let's start the car. And see some live data from the car, from the vehicle. And from 12 volts the battery went up to 15 volts. We have some malfunction indicator lamp status. Let's see. Number of TTC, intake manifold pressure. Yeah, so these numbers are changing, which means that we have a live data from various sensors: barometric pressure, equivalence ratio, lambda bank 1 sensor 1, oxygen sensors, yeah, ambient air temperature. So a complete live data from the car, from my Duster, which is the 2024 Dacia Duster, which means that this small diagnostic tool will be just perfect for your car. We also have a battery voltage, which is also live, history, user info, maintenance, and overall a very nice device that comes with free life warranty, with free life updates, and it will be useful either if you own one car or more than one car, a garage shop, a service shop, and so on. So head over to the link in the video description to buy it. And if you want other models from this company, from TOPDON, you have their website over there, also in the video description, and you can choose a different diagnostic tool for your convenience. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.